Customizing the blur effect on your iPhone 16's home screen wallpaper helps you achieve the perfect balance between visual aesthetics and app icon visibility. Here's how it's done. First, go to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Tap on the right panel image. To disable blur effects, tap to turn off the blur button. When it's off, the button is grayed out and the home screen preview is colored. Follow the same steps to return to the current wallpaper settings, then tap the blur button to enable it. When enabled, the button turns blue and the home screen wallpaper preview turns gray. Don't forget to tap Done on the upper right corner to save and apply recent changes. This iOS feature lets you control how your wallpaper appears behind your apps. It allows you to either maintain the original clarity of your wallpaper or add a subtle blur effect for better contrast with app icons. You can change this setting anytime you want by repeating the same steps. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.